Hi, as some of you know, I've tried the carnivore diet and it helped me to lose 30 pounds in 1 month. But when I was starting the diet, I tried to find the best way how to do that. But different experts said different things, so I just got confused. That's why some of the things I found out only through my personal experience after I started the diet. So in this video I will share with you 5 things that I wish I knew before I started the carnivore diet. Before we start, I would like to ask you to like this video because it helps me to understand that you would like to see more content about this topic. Start slowly. Your body might not be able to handle such immediate changes in your daily ration and increased amount of meat and fat. If you add and remove products slowly, you will feel more comfortable, which will make you stick to a diet for a long period of time. Don't overcomplicate. This diet is supposed to be easy and intuitive, but a lot of people try to find some hidden secrets in it and spend too much time on it instead of actual dieting. Don't use low-fat dairy. As I said in the previous video, I started a carnivore diet to lose weight, and I used only low-fat dairy to lose fat faster. And even if it worked for me, I don't think that it's a good idea, because low-fat dairy is not as healthy as the regular one, and also you don't get this feeling of fullness, and the food that you eat doesn't taste so good. This definitely will make your journey much harder. Add organs meat. I didn't know it at the time and I didn't eat such products as liver or heart, but it's very important to add them to your ration. They give you a lot of micronutrients that you don't get from other food during the carnivore diet. Listen to yourself. I think it's one of the most important, because when we try to stick to a diet, we need it to be comfortable, because we don't just want to get the result. We want to keep it for a long time. That's why you need to listen to yourself and understand how you feel about some changes in your daily ration. And if something works for other people, it doesn't have to work for you. You need to find your own way that will make you feel comfortable and your body fit and healthy. If you haven't watched the video about my carnivore diet journey and how it ended up for me, just click here. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one. Bye bye.